js7 Gaming here, and today we're playing an Extra TV Live with 122 Moto and owen454, and we're just doing 5 laps on each supercross track, and then I'll call it a video, and then on the next one that's coming out, it'll be the Pro Loop. Well, let me put you guys out the TV so they can hear you. Talk.
Okay.
Hold up. Talk again.
Hey, everybody in the clip say hey.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Trevor's like looping out.
I didn't know. That's the whole shot. About Larry. Oh, mother. Isn't like Larry.
Oh, why were you getting so mad?
I was because someone gave him false information. Yeah, come on, man. That's messed up.
Do you already have an ad on eBay for your PS3?
Nope. I wasn't gonna sell it. I was just kidding.
Oh, remember earlier when you said I'm not the brightest grassling in the light bulb in the light room?
You're just doing that so then you could be like, yeah, that was he said this in the video and I wasn't recording. Yeah. That happened like literally like 3 minutes ago.
No, he's like 4.5.
Okay, no, shut up. Oh no!
I hit my fire! I landed on my fire!
I did not technically gain any positions. I just accidentally respawned.
How many laps are we doing?
I don't know.
Let's do 5. So we're on lap 2 now.
Yep, oh god.
We're gonna do 5 laps on each supercross track.
Alright. How about 6 so it's like a heat race?
Okay, so we're on lap 2 right now.
Reshort. Get it. I'm in the lead right now. Even though I accidentally respawned to the starting gates.
Oh my god.
When I crashed. Accidentally. Cough. I did. I was in the lead anyway, so I don't know why it mattered. Because you're starting to get past by me. Even though I have the confession that I cut the track because I was so far behind. You're sick.
You have the confession?
And he's on a 450 right now? No, I'm on a 250 actually. I changed. Oh wow, stepping it up. Oh! Did you see that one? Devin tries getting the lead. Dude, I totally fly onto that. Ooh, fibered? Yeah, I fibered onto the table. 125 or... No one rides that. I know. Even though I'm getting one. Devin, really? Oh, so no one rides them.
That's the fastest way. You gotta roll every jump.
You screwed everyone up in that section. And then O's punts me off. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
That was the
on my screen, you were in front of me. Stupid teammates, I swear. They're worth Whoa.
That's a harsh. That's a mean word.
Evan's on our team too, so. Oh yeah. It's not just you. And who knows if I was actually talking about you. Ooh.
Oh, and O's in first now. So we're on lap 4.
So we have 2 to go. Or 3. That's how supercross works. Yeah. Did I get you? Devin?
No.
Did I hit you? Oh my god, I'm so okay, I have Clutch Master on yet. My bike does not want to work with clutch.
Trevor, O's!
What?
You just slammed into me and pushed me over the starting gate.
It's called supercross. That's what happens with supercross.
No, you don't. You don't push people off the track.
Hey, it's called being aggressive.
I mean, no, it's called being James Stewart.
Oh, being James Stewart is crash. Being Dean Wilson.
I mean, we're at his house, so we might as well be like him.
Might well. Here's this talking smack, kicks us out of the compound. Yeah, he's like, whoa, calm down. F you, man, I'm on my drugs right now. Whoa, that's messed up. Wow. We didn't have to go that far into it. Needed to be on any drugs. We didn't need to go that far into it. 2 laps to go, up in my corner.
Whoa, I messed up.
Really?
Whoa,
Really?
I messed up, dude. Oh.
Yeah, you should be kidding, because that was totally intentional.
It was unintentional.
Hey!
Oh!
Trevor!
See that move? Oh.
And I blew the
I
corner.
saw that move. I had such a good view on that. Oh my gosh, that was so cool.
See, O's would have had a better point of view for that. Pass.
Yeah, I should have been recording, but I don't have to.
Yeah, man, I should have been. Dude, we just record on our phone.
That's true. I don't have anywhere to set it up.
I'm recording right now.
Oh, he's
No.
coming. Oh.
It reset me for no apparent reason.
Whoa, what the? What? What was that? What is going on?
I don't know.
Dude, you slaying
RKO out of nowhere.
Dude, you slaying.
Where'd it go?
Off track! Technically I didn't gain any positions.
Yeah, I didn't either.
I technically didn't gain any positions either.
Oh, and you're in last.
Oh, and you'll never get any positions. I'm just kidding. Oh, and he's up to. Oh my god! You tard!
I just had to cut back in front of Owen. Devin, I was gonna let you go, but Owen, I just wanted to cut off. Oh,
no. Oh gosh.
oh, we were.
Oh, that was so sick, Devin. Oh my gosh.
Oh
That
my
was
god.
so sick. Dude, you just struck right in my freaking face.
Oh, he pulled a Justin Barshaw on
No,
Ken Ross.
the other way around. He was looking at me.
Yeah, that.
No! Oh no, he's gonna go! He's gonna win!
No,
I got second!
I cheated.
I don't know who got that. I don't know.
Oh,
who
so
got
technically
that.
I got first.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, because I cheated too.
I
So,
cheated.
as MX Simulator once said, penalties.
Yeah. Penalty.
Okay, next
1
track.
second.
Oh, dude.
Hold on, I'm out. Pardon my cheating. I need to stop. I'm sorry. I just suck so much that I have to catch up. No, that was sick. I wasn't
Okay, you
gonna
guys
make
ready?
that. No, he went to go somewhere. I don't know.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. Anyway, that was so sick. I wasn't gonna make that triple, so I doubled it. He just freaking came by and looked at me. Like, wow.
Okay, guys. This was MX versus ATV and live. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. And, peace.